I'm going to show you how to disable or enable your announcement bar on your Squarespace website. So the announcement bar is a feature that is inherent to Squarespace. So if your template doesn't have it and you like it, you can turn it on very easily. I'm also going to show you how to add and edit a pop-up for marketing purposes in this video as well. So what you'll do, this is a feature that's kind of hidden in Squarespace. I've had trouble myself finding it, and we've had so many clients come to us and say, I really want this just turned off or turned on, and I just can't figure it out. So I'm going to show you how to easily do that and find it in the Squarespace platform. So to do that, what you'll want to do is navigate over to Pages here. And then once you scroll through your pages, you'll see Marketing Tools. That's where this is going to live. And you can click Announcement Bar, and you can just disable it here. It's going to disappear, or you can enable it. And what you'll do is add the text you want to have. It could be your discount offer. It could be sign up for our mailing list. It could be whatever you want that's really just going to grab your website visitors' attention and entice them to make a conversion, to fill out a form, to book a consultation, to buy a class pack for yoga, things like that. So you can add links here, and you can also add a link here. This would be based on what you wanted it to do, what page you wanted to go to. So if you wanted them to book a consultation, you'd likely send them to your contact page. If you wanted them to sign up for your email list, you might have a specific page for that, but you can add whatever you want there. Click Save. And the same thing is the promotional pop-up, and that's going to be our templates don't inherently have this set up. We're happy to set it up for you if you'd like, but it's so easy that we think you can go in and just click disable or display the pop-up, or don't display it based on your needs, and you can change the layout. I don't want to leave. Let's change the layout here. I guess you have to save. You can change your layout here, and you'll see the different layouts they have. They have one that pops up on the side, which is kind of nice, on the bottom, a full page, anything like that. So choose your favorite, play with the settings there. Here's the action that it will do. Sign up for a newsletter, click a button. You'll have to add your storage. So you would want to set up Squarespace email campaigns or add your email newsletter platform there. And you can do this display and timing and set up your styles and content here.